Let's look at this very important physics question for physics candidates. It says that an object of 5 kilograms is traveling in a circular path of radius 4 meter with a uniform velocity of 25 meter per second. Calculate the centripetal force. Data given is, of course, we know, an object of 5 kilograms. Mass is given because kilogram stands for mass. So mass of object is given to us as 5 kilograms. Now, because it is in kilogram, we are not converting it to any other unit of mass. The other one is in a circular path of radius 4 meters. So the radius is given. The radius is given as 4 meters. Now, we are not converting to any other unit for measuring length because it is already in meter. With a uniform velocity of 25 meters per second. So velocity, which is also called speed, is given as 25 meters per second. It says calculate the centripetal force. Now, for you to get the centripetal force, you must get the centripetal acceleration. You know that for you to get force is F, which stands for force, equals to mass times acceleration. Here, acceleration is not given, so we got to look for centripetal acceleration first, and after that, we use it to get the centripetal force. So let me continue it here. For centripetal acceleration, we say centripetal acceleration. Now, this centripetal acceleration is given by A equal to V squared over R. Okay, A stands for the acceleration. Then what is the velocity? V stands for velocity. Here, velocity is given as 25 meters per second. So we say 25 meters per second over R is the radius over 4. Okay, so 25 meters per second over 4. So you look for the square root of 25, which gives us about 625. To the square of 25, rather not square, to the square of 25, it gives us about 625. Of course, 600 divided by 25 will give you, divided by 25, gives you about 20, divided by 4 rather, 625 divided by this 4 that is here. So 625 divided by 4 gives you 156.25. It gives us 156.25 meters per second. Please, this is in meter per second square. Okay? So you've gotten the centripetal acceleration. Now that you have gotten the centripetal acceleration on the board, you can now use it to get your centripetal force. So centripetal force, okay, is given by, so we say F. Of course, you know that force is mass times acceleration. Of course, here, the mass given to us, what's the mass? The mass of the object is 5 kilograms, so we have 5 times the centripetal acceleration that we got is 156 rather 0.25. So we say 5 times 156.25 gives us 781.25. So it gives us 781.25. And you know force is in Newton. That is your answer. Look at it very closely and you can attempt this one for me. Now and put the answer in the comment section. Let us say, let me give you something of this nature. You just rush it quickly. Okay? So So your speed work now. A mass of 10 kilogram is moving in a circular path. Okay? Of radius 2 meters with a uniform speed of radius 2 meters with a uniform speed you have to understand the question first before you begin to solve. With a uniform speed of 50 meters per second. Calculate the centripetal force. Okay, the answer A, is it 12,500 Newton? B, is it 2,300 Newton? C, or 25,000 Newton? Or is it 10,000 Newton? Look at the question very closely and put the answer in the comment section. Click the follow button for more.